Today I recover my last week drawdown and I also make 10% profit. Today I took 5 trade in total. I took this, 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 and this. I only lose one and I won four. Also, I won three in a row. Me 5 days ago. I lost all my profits today. I took 5 trades today. I lose four and I only win one. For the past 5 days, I was not chance to trade. My last trading section, I lost 20% from my capital and 10% from my profit. Today, I recover my 20% and my 10% profit back. I started today's section around 10:58 and I finished the section 12:06. Before I started pushing the button, I mean before I start taking my trade, I observed the market for like 1 hour because it has been 5 days that I trade. I am able to achieve 3 wins in a row. You know, my previous week is either I win, the market win, I win two in a row, market also collected two in a row. So this is going to be the first time of winning three in a row. The additional $10 I added on my initial balance gave me the confidence to win this three in a row. It gave me more confidence to take more trades. Remember last week I was saying I'm going to trigger martingale, but today trade nothing brought me to trigger martingale. I don't see need for it because all the trades are neat. Today I'm able to achieve 3 wins in a row for the past 3 weeks. The additional $10 I said I wanted to add it to my account last week, I already added it and it gave me more confidence. It gave me more confidence to take more trade. This week, I'm going to observe how the additional $10 is going to shape my psychology trading. With what happened today, I feel the additional $10 is going to work because today I make more than 30% already. I won 0.93 twice plus 0.82 and 0.83. In total, that is 3.54. Today, the additional $10 makes me feel calm. Imagine I don't have that additional $10. I'm going to be looking at $8 instead of looking at $18. And as I said, trading with one digit like $8 is going to feel different when I'm trading with $18. Let me just round it up with trading with one digit is different when you are trading with 2 digits. Trading with 2 digits is different when you are trading with 3 digits. The 2 digits that I'm still seeing don't make me panic. I rely on my risk management not to blow my account. I rely on my strategy to make back my profits and my initial capital, including my trading psychology, and altogether they give me 3.54 today. Sweet. Let us assume 5 days ago I did not have any drawdown. I have my initial capital which is going to be $10. With today profit, I made 3% already. And remember, this 3% that I made in a day, it took me like a week to make that 3% with my $10 account. That should be like first week that I started trading with $10 or second week. This week, I want to make more than 30%. I want to make like 30, let's say 40 to 50%. What the week hold, I don't know. I just know what I'm going to do. I'm going to do my thing and I'm going to allow markets to do their thing. This week go, as I always have number one list on my goal, do not blow your account. Like I'm not blowing my account. And the second goal is to make more than 30%. It might be 30.1, it might be 30.2. I just want to make more than 30%. That is just the two goals. An additional goal is to observe how the $10 is going to shape my psychology. So that makes it 3 goals. Moral of today, just push the button. Just do it. Have tight risk management. Also have good strategy. Learn from your mistake. Also improve 1% daily. Last but not the least, do not give up. If you are new to this channel, please and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Till tomorrow, peace.